high quality, research focused, and scientifically tempered professionals is the need of the hour for our country. The latest national educational policy released by the central government also is focused in this particular direction. As school correspondents, principals, or school owners, you have already been trying very hard to empower your students in this direction. And in order to achieve this, students should be inculcated with few skills. Skills such as creativity, critical thinking, problem solving ability, and along with that, they also need to be able to visualize and imagine. And altogether, they should be also perfected with the principle of scientific method. Hello everyone, I'm Bhanu Prakash. I'm an innovator, an educational entrepreneur, a science communicator, and a teacher trainer. I started Akshaya Knowledge Center over 6 years back in Khammam town, and working with hundreds of schools and thousands of teachers over the past 6 years, I am confident in telling you that the best way to achieve these skills or to inculcate these skills into students is through the practice of hands-on science experimentation at your schools. Many of you are already doing it. Hands-on science experimentation means is simple. Whatever the science activities that are available in the curriculum of the science textbooks, the student should be able to use their hands and use their entire five senses to perform those activities. And that can be achieved when students are arranged in groups of 3 or 4 and when they get involved in doing the experiments rather than just observing the teacher doing the experiments. So I've been promoting this particular concept over the past 6 years across all the districts of Telangana state. In the next few minutes, I would like to talk about the firm Akshaya Knowledge Center and all the services that we are providing. And after that, I would also like to talk about the 3 plans that we have devised to deliver it to your schools for the academic year 2021-22. That means after COVID, when the students are available at the schools to have this hands-on experimentation experience. Through Akshaya Knowledge Center, we have been working towards 3 primary services. One is workshops for students directly. Second one is workshops for teachers. And third one is we have an inbuilt research lab where all the curriculum will be analyzed and suitable apparatus are designed. And we are promoting science activities through these apparatus too. Let's go ahead with the first service, workshops for students. So on a typical day, one of our representatives, one of our resource people will be coming to your school with around 10 to 15 science kits for all the classes, for 6 to 10 classes. A pre-discussed science activities for that particular day will already be provided to your science teacher and your students. So one after each class will be invited to a particular room in your school and the pertaining science activities will be performed by the students. So the 10 or 15 kits based on the strength will be arranged around the room and students of batches 3 to 4 will be sitting around each kit. The resource person from Akshaya Knowledge Center, he will start his lecture by introducing the topics or the concepts corresponding to the experiment in the textbook. So this will serve as a revision for the students. Once the concept is explained, then he would go ahead and demonstrate the activity. So the students will have a bird eye vision. They'll not have everything in their control, but they'll be able to focus on the concept and align that thinking with the demonstration by the resource person. After that, the resource person will guide the students in performing the experiment within the group. So every student in the group and all the students in the classroom will be performing these activities. Once this particular activity is completed, resource person will push the students towards asking questions that will lead to the observations, analysis, and the final conclusion of that activity. So in order to understand the reception ability of students, a questionnaire will be provided and that will be provided exactly after the completion of this activity. So students will be answering the questions and that will give us a feedback about the reception by the students. So that's a typical day. And once the sixth class is done, then the seventh will be invited to the room and till the 10th class. So 6th to 10th workshops are the plan for that day. So this particular model we have been implementing over the last 6 years, and we have reached to more than 150 private schools and few government schools, around 60 to 70 government schools focused around the Khammam district area. Now let's look into what we do with the workshops for teachers. So I would like to tell you that we are very proud of our achievements in reaching out to more than 7,000 government school teachers across the Telangana state, across more than 23 districts, and close to 150 private schools. The teachers of those schools were involved in these activities. So on a typical day, again, we take multiple kits and a group of teachers will be invited to a particular school, the host school, and all the teachers will be provided with the kits. The more focus will be towards practice of the science activities. And once the science activities are done, we will be pushing the teachers in opening up of their minds to inculcate these activities more and more into the curriculum. Lastly, the science apparatus. We have been building science apparatus that are concept centric and affordable. And the primary focus in the design aspect is to deliver large amount of content in the textbook in a simplest possible way through the apparatus. Thank you. I'm Bhanu Prakash, and the details of the firm and the phone numbers and email address and everything are provided over here. Please give us a call for any questions or queries. Thank you.